All right, guys, welcome back. Today we are doing our weekend wash here, and we're going to use a new product. It's really an old product, but a new product for you guys that I really haven't shown. Maybe I showed a long time ago. This is the Ultima Waterless Wash Plus Concentrate. Now, this is an oldie but a goodie. I mean, it leaves the surface of whatever you wash very, very smooth and slick. It's a waterless, rinseless, clay lube, pre-spray, detail spray type of product. It goes very far. It's very affordable. It is infused with acrylic and acrylic polymers. So you will get a little bit of protection, but a lot of slickness out of this product. Now, this is a cool product. Number one, it comes in one of these cool bottles that you can measure. Now, I don't know if you've checked online or not, but these bottles go for around $4 to $8 depending on where you buy them. So once you run out of this product, you can put a whole new product that you need to measure out in this bottle. Very, very cool. Number two, it dilutes. And the concentration of this, it goes very, very far. So to make a waterless wash, a detail spray, or clay lube, 1/2 ounce into 22 ounces of water. 1/2 ounce of product, 22 ounces of water. There's your clay lube, your detail spray, your waterless wash, your pre-spray, whatever you want. Next, your rinseless wash bucket, 1 ounce into 3 gallons of water. That's huge, guys. That's very huge. So let's get going with this. I'm going to show you how I use it on my wife's car today. And like I said, we're going to do a pre-spray. So we're going to make it into a waterless, and then we're going to also make it into a rinseless, which will be the main wash. Guys, before I get into this, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. And don't forget to hit that notifications bell so you don't miss all the new videos we're putting out. Okay, so first things first, let's take this side off here. Now, this is a brand new bottle. We're going to open it up. And we've got 1 ounce pulled into here. So we're going to dump 1 ounce into our rinseless wash bucket. All right, so now we've got 1 ounce product here. I'm going to put my grit guard. I've got a Dirt Lock grit guard I'm going to use inside here. Mix it around. Now I've got my McKee's Big Gold Sponge. This is what I'm going to use to do my rinseless wash. As you can see, it has cuts in it. The dirt goes inside there, and you wash the car, you come back and you wipe. You empty the dirt out in here on the grit guard. So we're gonna let that soak. Now we're gonna get a 1/2 ounce. There's a 1/2 ounce, and we're gonna put it into 22 ounces of water. Now we've got our spray component. So we've got everything we need. We got our pre-spray and our rinseless wash. We've got our grit guard and our wash media. Let's get going here, guys. All right, guys, first things first, this car is white. You're not going to see a lot of the dirt on there, but it hasn't been washed in about a week. It's got some splash up, some dust, some debris. So I don't just want to wash right on top of that. I want to pre-spray and loosen that up. So I got my waterless wash made up right here, and all you do is spray it on the panels. Now, this doesn't cost much to make. You're talking pennies here, so spray away. Now I've got right next to me my bucket of rinseless wash. I got my big gold sponge here. So now that this has had a few seconds to sit, kind of melt into the dirt, the debris, we're gonna take out our sponge. We're gonna get some of the water out and we're gonna wipe. Now we're not pushing into the panel. All right, as I change over, I've switched the sponge sides. I'm not pushing into the panel, I'm just lightly gliding the sponge. Now whatever dirt has gotten on the sponge, I'm gonna put back into this bucket. I know that sounds bad. And I'm gonna rub it onto the grit guard. Now you remember that grit guard is on the bottom there, so I'm taking the dirt out. As the dirt gets into the water, the solution grabs onto it and kind of sucks it down. All right, here's the grit guard in case you guys forgot. This is what I'm rubbing it on, okay? So now we've cleaned it off. And if your car is really dirty, you can give it a second wipe. Just to make sure you got everything, all right? Get the windows, flip it over, go back over it, get everything real good again. Put this back in the bucket. Now, we're done washing this panel. So you can do one of two things. You can go straight to drying, or you can spray a little spray, couple sprays of the waterless wash you made. It's a detail spray now, and this is acrylic infused. You get your favorite drying towel. I got my McKee's medium-sized Glacier 1100 here, and you dry. Boom. Man, that feels slick, clean. Let's move on to the next panel. Now I don't have a detailing cart, guys, so I've got my buckets stacked and on rollers, so I can move it around. It'd be nice to have one of those detailing carts, but you know, you make do with what you got. So the next panel, spray. Clean off your sponge. Get your sponge and wipe down. Now we try to start at the top and work our way down. Flip it around. Clean our sponge again. Hit it one more time, just to make sure. All right, guys, so we finished the doors, the rear panel here. I mean, it's nice, it's clean, it's glossy, it's slick. I mean, this product is really, really slick. The glass is clean. We're gonna finish the rest of the car. It's that easy, guys, it's that easy. That takes all of 3 minutes to do. All right, guys, I hope you liked the video. If you did, hit that like and subscribe. Press that notification bell so you get all the new videos we're putting out. Today, we're talking about the Ultima Waterless Wash Plus Concentrate, Waterless Wash, Rinseless Wash, Clay Lube, detail spray, whatever you want, basically. All right, this stuff, I think it runs about $20 a bottle. This is a 16 fluid ounce bottle. Comes in the cool measuring bottle, smells good, and is very, very slick. It's a very underrated or forgotten about product, but I wanna bring it back to you guys and tell you it is awesome. Some awesome, awesome stuff right here. So I poured a ½ ounce into the bottle here. This is for my dual purpose today, for my pre-spray and my drying aid. Now this has acrylic resins in there and it makes it very, very slick when you use this product afterward. The paint feels good, the gloss is good, the cleaning power is very, very good. So we pre-spray first, then we use our rinseless wash that we've made here. That's 1 ounce of product into 3 gallons of water. I've got my grit guard in the bottom and I've got my McKee's big yellow sponge. So we dip the sponge in, we wash the panel, we come back into the bucket here and we wipe the sponge inside the solution against the bucket. It's pulling the dirt off and hopefully sinking as much dirt underneath it as possible, holding it down. We then take the sponge back and we wipe over the panel. You can do this multiple times if you have an exceptional amount of dirt on there. Now, mind you, this is not for mud bogging or super dirty cars. This is for a medium dirty car to light dirt, all right? So very, very easy process. Go around the whole car doing that. Spray, rinseless wash. You spray again at the end after you've washed the panel, and then you dry. I'm using the McKee's Glacier 1100. I think this is a 20 by 30 towel. It is their medium-sized towel, and this works really, really good, guys. You can go around 2 cars with this so as a waterless or rinseless wash, no problem. Very, very nice. I, at the end, use this on the wheels. Spray, grab your dedicated wheel towel, and you do a waterless wash on the wheels as well. So the windows, I didn't even use window cleaner because this product works so well, you don't need window cleaner. It won't streak on you. Just do the dilution right, ½ ounce into 22 ounces, 1 ounce into 3 gallons. Keep the dilution right, use it sparingly, go over it. I didn't use any window cleaner and there's no streaks. The windows look fine, the car is slick, it's glossy. Awesome product, guys. Ultima Waterless Wash Plus. Now, there's a new site out there called IDS, that's International Detailing Supply, and IDScarcare.com, I think is what it's at. They have all these types of products, all the Ultima lineup. They have so many cool different niche products, and you definitely want to get some of this. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you liked the video. Try out some Ultima. I promise you won't be disappointed. Talk to you later.